Shubor nakaslem jong Nong Hima.
Uway na kinongyalam jong giseng nong nya akali kamay na Assam, Jingïakhih bat Majistor karibhoy uba andrung berthong. Ula hukum ya u ban pinsngot ho ya kinongyalam ka Akmtta, ban wengdo ya kini Jingïakhih jongki, bat ban Phah kem yaki namar baki we ki taxi association na Meghalaya ki Trilang bat ki association na Assam bat ki Kirshan yaki. Ula ong ba ukwa baka sorkar Meghalaya kan kem yaki Dkhot ke Akmtta, bat ban ai ka jingpentep yaki bala kem yaki, bat ban pentikna haki bakam don shu ke Jingïakhih, bat haba ki la yo da jingpentep batikna bakam don shu ke Jingïakhih jongki Akmtta kin om khang shu yaki ban Meghalaya ban wan shi Assam. Ula ong bade ke Akmtta basdang dak baberngam yaki hakalai tarik nailur ban om sha yaki nuki kali na Assam ban na shabar ke Meghalaya ban wanrung shakinuki jaga Jingïakhih perthei Meghalaya hendai makipat ki klemsdang yakani.
I'm speaking on behalf of everybody. One thing we want to make it clear to Meghalaya government, we have not started this agitation. Rather, we were provoked by only one association. I'm not blaming all the transporters of Meghalaya. All taxi association, they are with us. All transport association of Meghalaya. Only one association.
Even in hotel association also with us.
All Meghalaya, all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, they are the main culprit. They raised this issue of, they threatened us in 3rd of September that we won't allow any vehicle from Assam, not to mention Assam, but outside Meghalaya. Any vehicle outside Meghalaya will not be permitted to visit the tourist spot. That started the main problem. Now you have to convince them and ask them to withdraw. We haven't done anything. If they withdraw that thing, you arrest those people, because other transporters are 100% with us. They have appreciated our move also. They have supported us. Because, Meghalaya and other associations are ashamed. They have expressed us that we are ashamed that one association has raised such parochial demands. So we want that all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, your government should take action on them. Once you take action and you give us an assurance that this demand will not be raised in future, we will never go for such protest. We'll never. And rather, you'll be happy to know we are allowing all Meghalaya vehicles. There is a reciprocal agreement between Assam and Meghalaya Transport Department. And Assam government and we people are allowing all each and every Meghalaya vehicle to move freely in Assam. But why you are restricting us? Yeah.